Now we are going to discuss the constructing dictionary. How to construct the dictionary, what is its syntax, we'll see it. Okay. So before that, what is how the dictionary will be constructed means dictionary will be constructing by the braces, flower brackets. Okay. So now in this dictionary, which type of values contains in which format the values will be contains means it has a key colon next to value. So all the values will be stored in the form of the key and value, comma. For example, this is a key one, value one, next key two, next value two. Like that, we will store the values. What is key one means? It's just like for example, I am taking one. One is my key. It is nothing but student. Okay. Next two. Two is my key. What is a it means teacher. So this whatever the one two you are written that are called the key values, and student and teacher are called as a sorry, one and two are the keys. They are called as a keys. Okay, and the student and teacher are called as a values. So like this, we will store the values in the dictionary. So in the one two place you can send any numbers or values or strings, any other values or strings words. It is not necessary that you put in the place key only one two three. So you can put any other strings, alphabets, letters, whatever you want you can take. But the syntax is like this: key colon its value, key colon value, comma, key colon value. That is the syntax of the dictionary. Wait a minute. Now we'll try to construct one dictionary on this. Now I'm constructing one dictionary. I'm giving dictionary name my dictionary, my dic, my dictionary. Okay. Uh, you can give any other name. My dictionary. Okay, this is enough. Okay. So now is equal to, you start with braces. Okay. In that what I'm doing is as usual I said one. Okay, student. I'm writing string student, comma, next to he is a two. I'm writing teacher. Okay, next comma, he is a some three, book. Okay, so now my I constructed one dictionary. If you want, we'll execute it. Shift enter. So now I constructed one dictionary mydic. In that the values will be stored in this format. Okay, if you want, we'll check it. Okay, my dict, my dict. Shift enter. See, the values are stored in the form of key value. Key value. One is a key, value is a student. Two is a key, value is a teacher. So now in this, for example, I need to uh, I want to be to get the value of the teacher. Okay, I want output as a teacher. So what we can do means I'm writing dictionary my dict. Uh, in that we can give key value. Which value you want, corresponding key you have to give. So I need two. I need teacher, so I'm giving two. Shift enter. you got teacher. Okay, so like that you can get the required output. So now uh, this is how to create the uh, dictionary. Next, one more one more dictionary I'm creating. You can create an empty dictionary. So empty dictionary means you just put the braces, that is flower brackets. Hmm, wait a minute. Okay, now you can put the flower brackets, shift enter. One empty dictionary is created. Okay, so now for this dictionary I want to add some value. Now it is empty. Starting we are created with values dictionary, and I created empty dictionary. So in this what I'm doing means I'm adding some value to the some key and values to dictionary. Animal. Okay, key is a animal, its value will be some dog. You take it as a dog. Dog. Okay, shift enter. We have created one empty string d, and in that we stored one key and corresponding value dog. We will check it is there or not. You simply write d, shift enter. Animal, key is animal, its value is a dog. Next what I am doing is I am creating one more num. Okay, one more dictionary, empty dictionary I am creating. uh, Shift enter. Empty dictionary created. What I'm doing is I'm adding some values. uh, Num uh, key key one, we write as a key one. So value will be some is equal to some 100. Okay, shift enter. So now num is a dictionary created. In that the value key one value will be assigned to 100. Okay, so now we'll check it. If you want, just write num, uh, shift enter. So in the num key one, its value will be 100. So now I want to be change this value. I want to be change its uh, minus plus something, or we can add, we can do addition subtraction on the corresponding key values. So how we can do is here num, whatever the values will be there in the dictionary, for that values we can add, subtract, we can do all the things. So how we can do is my num, which one which value I want to be changing is key one value. Key one value, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Num, I need the, I want to be change key one value. Okay, don't worry this error, I got this error by mistakenly by pressing some key. So key one is equal to num. What is the key one value? 100 will be there. So what I am doing is key one minus 50. Okay, so key one value 100 will be there. I am doing minus 50. So 100 minus 50, 50, that will be stored here. Otherwise I'll do some 25 if you want. We'll make it as a 25. Okay, key one value will be 100 is there. From the 100 we are subtracting minus 25. So the result is 75. Again the result will be stored in this key one in the dictionary. Okay, shift enter. So now we have to get answer as a 75. Listen one more time. Dictionary as a, it's a key value, key one value, how much? 100. We are, what we are doing, subtracting minus 25. You are getting 75. That 75 again stored in the corresponding key one value. That means you have to get the 75. Num, shift enter. So what you got? 75.